Right, what I've got is this organza. And I'm just cutting some strips off it. We do have it in the shop. We have it in brown, like a chocolate brown, red, pink. And I'm not sure how much of it I'm going to use. So I'm just going to do that much for now. Like that. And all I'm going to do is cut that in half. Like that. I wish I could find my spike, but I can't. So I'm just going to use one of these. Hold on. You need your burner, your heat gun. Oops. Now, that really doesn't matter, but we have to do all of them. Okay. Let's just see if we can do something different now. I think we can do it this way. I do that like that. Right, okay. So what did I do with my needle? So what I'm going to do is I've put 3 pieces together to start with. Right, I folded it in half. And I'm going to pull that really tight. Go away. Like that. Oh, you could just make a bow with it like that. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Okay. Leave that one there. I'm going to take 3 pieces again. Like that. Again. Fold them in half. Oops. Like that. Wrap. That'll do. Right, now I've got that. Now what I'm going to do is to shape this. So I'll get rid of that, and we need to do exact same thing on this side. I might have done this one a little bit short then, I think I have. But we can match that up, doesn't matter. like that. That just needs a slight blast. That's it. So we've got that. We can trim all that up later, like this. Now, what I'm going to do with this one is just to cut the shape that I'm after, like that. So we'll do a big end here first. Let's get rid of all that. Okay, now what I need to do is to stitch these two together. I'm going to do it that way. So I'm just going to go straight through that one and straight through that one. Like that. Oh, pulled straight through it, sorry. Well, we'll do it this way then, feet. I'll go round and round again. You'll stay put, mate. If I've got what to do with it. And we'll go straight through that one. Like that. And then back around the two of them. And then what I'm going to do on the back is just catch it a few times. Okay, just put that away so I know where that is. Like that. That's fine. That is fine. Right, pliers. So I've just taken a piece of wire, more or less get it in the centre. If not, cut it so it is matching. And then you take one end, fold it over, turn it around, fold it over, like that. Pinch the middle, like that. Now, I'm just going to do this, because I've got to get this right. We're going to trim all this up, don't worry about it. So, on the back, you need a little piece of fabric. I've got some here, this'll do. I'm not sure, is that too big? No, that's fine. We just need to add that on the back. Then you can put a pin on it if that's what you want. Make sure that's moved in the middle. I love these. And yeah, the layers in them, look at the layer. you just layer them like that using the organza. And then to that, I think that might be a little bit too big, so I'm going to use one of these. It's too thick. So that goes in the middle like that. And then I've got some nice shapes here. Oh, I've got buttons and whatnot. Oh, I like that actually. I do like that. It is a button. And all I have to do is to take that arm off it. Pop that down the middle. And as long as we sit that in the right place. Look. So it's got that line. And then we can, if we want to, if we have to. I'm going to use my smaller scissors, I think. It's just to... Where's my smaller scissors? Oh, they're in the other room, I think. Never mind, we'll use these. So you can just shape them. More to my liking. Once you've got them on, it doesn't matter, you can do what I like with them. Like that. And I'm just going to bring that down a little bit. See? Like that. And that'll do. I'm happy with that. Let me just move these bits. And you get your fluffy butterflies. They've got texture to them. And that way you can wear that on a headband, you could wear it on a use it on a bag, anything you want. Now, where's my flamethrower? Because I'm just gonna do something. See, with my flamethrower, I can just singe the edges a little bit more, like that, and have it how I want it. And there you go. Perfectly good butterfly, lots of layers. See? Easy to do. And I hope that's helpful. I'm just going to bring this one in a little more. Just shape it with what you've got. I'm just going to fold them together like that. Take my needle and thread and I'm just going to stitch and go back and forth. Through them all. That'll do. Alright, and then what you do is, and a great way to make flowers, you just do that and you've instantly, I could have done with more to be honest, but I could open that out if I want. That's like that. I can put that in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop that in the centre. Move that before I lose it. And let me just see, let's have a look, see what we've got. Yeah, we can put that one in. Pop that in the centre, just so you've got something different. Like that. And then you just trim this about. And you've got yourself a flower with what's left. Waste not, want not. See? And if I wanted to trim that even more, and just do this with the flamethrower to catch it in when I want it to be, sealing all the ends. Like that. You make the ends look like they're really shabby. Like that. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.